Welcome everyone. We are interested in drawing the loose dot structure of BeF2, which is known as beryllium fluoride. Now in order to draw the structure, we need to find out the valence electrons of the different atoms present in this molecule, which are beryllium and fluorine respectively. Now the electronic configuration of beryllium is 1s2, 2s2. So I've drawn, and the valence shell is the second shell. So we are only interested in drawing the orbitals of the valence subshells. We are only interested in the valence things, okay? Only the outermost. Okay, so you got your second shell as your valence shell, and here is the orbital diagram for the 2s subshell. But also, you see, beryllium has also got a vacant 2p subshell, which is presently having 0 electrons. So p subshell has 3 orbitals. Okay, now what happens is that excitation takes place, and beryllium right now can make 0 bonds because 2s is completely filled. So one of the electrons jumps from 2s to 2p, and now its orbital diagram comes out to be like this. Right, you got 2 unpaired electrons, which now means that beryllium can now make 2 single bonds, 2 single covalent bonds, and the number of valence electrons for beryllium also 2, 1, 2. Well, it was also apparent here that beryllium has 2 valence electrons, and its valence shell is, well, the second shell. Okay, now talking about fluorine, its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. For 2s, it is having 2 electrons, and in 2p, you've got 3 orbitals, 1, 2, 3, having 5 electrons. Okay, now the number of unpaired electrons, it is just a single having just a single unpaired electron, which means that fluorine can make just a single covalent bond. Now let's proceed with the structural part. I hope you have understood what I did here, this part. Okay, this is basically excitation of beryllium. So beryllium is our central molecule having 2 valence electrons in excitation state. You've got a fluorine on the right side and you've got a fluorine on the left side. Fluorine having 7 valence electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, this fluorine also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now beryllium makes single bonds with fluorines, and fluorine has now completed its octet. If you want to check, let's count the number of electrons: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has completed its octet, whereas this fluorine has also completed its octets. Similarly, like this fluorine. Whereas beryllium stays like this, it doesn't complete its octet. Right now, it is having just 4 electrons after bond formation: 1, 2, 3, 4. Because such compounds are exceptions to Lewis octet rule, and such compounds are called hypovalent compounds or molecules. HYPOVALENT molecules or compounds. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.